guys, out again on the bank on the River Don today on the prison stretch. Beautiful evening for it. It's August 29th. It's coming up to 6 o'clock. I've got my new toy with me today, if you can see that down there. My new Quorum the River Rod Pod. We'll be testing it out tonight. Hopefully we're targeting Barbel. Maybe a chub or two as well. It's moving. But yeah, cracking evening. Just setting the rods up now. I'm going to be fishing in lunch and meat and sausage, spicy sausage pellet. So hopefully better hemp down in the ground bait. Hopefully we can get a few barbel rooting around. But yeah, first time I fished here, so I'm a total novice. It looks quite good depth despite the dry summer we've had. I'm just going to chug a little bit of bread in and see if there's any chub taking it, just to have a couple of casts before I set the barbel gear up. So stay tuned, looking forward to this. First fish of the new stretch. Just before I put my barbel rods out, I want to try trotting maggot. I've already tried bread and got a little tiny roach, but very welcome. Nice first fish. Let's get him back. We're in, guys, on the feeder rod. Nothing massive. That is the biggest dace I've ever caught. It's definitely a dace. Oh my god. Size 8 hook. While barbel fishing, I've got a dace. This dace has got to be definitely half a pound. That this dace still. I'll show you one. This is definitely a dace, not a chub. Look at that. Why is it called clonking dace? Well, that's a good start, despite any small fish, but that is a big dace. Beauty. Let's get him back in. This is going well. Well, this is the peg I'm fishing tonight. That's it upstream. Nice bit of fast water there. Comes right across diagonally. Hits this near side bank. Good depth. Was going to fish the peg up from here about 20 yards, but there's a lad spinning on the other side, so I didn't want to get in his way. So I'm happy with this peg anyway. It's not a bad pace, kind of walking pace. Perfect pace for trotting really. And I've got a nice, quite a big swim this one. All the way in where that bridge is, it kind of shallows up and there's a bit of stream of weed on the bottom there. Nice bush over there on the far side, looks good. I might have bumped a chub on my float guard. It could have been the bottom though. I only felt it felt heavy for a couple of seconds and it released. But yeah, really good. Can't believe I haven't fished this. I only live like literally 2 miles away. So I'm a member this year, so I can come anytime I want. One thing to note though, it's not too bad tonight, it's dry, but when it's wet there's a lot of steps to get back to the top, so you've got to be careful going down them steps, but they've looked after the pegs really well. It's excellent. Nice clarity in the water as well. Definitely 3 foot of visibility I'd say. So yeah, it's going in well. Right, I'm going to pack the trotting rod away, set it up on a heavy feeder and then put a bit of luncheon meat out and hemp up and see if we can get a barbel. Let's do this. Quick shot of baits I brought. That's just my ground bait mixed with maggots. Bit of hemp in there. Luncheon meat. Hemp and snails. The spicy sausage pellets there, same as them ones. And some bread as well. So, nice selection. Wish I had worms with me though. guys, it's 7:20, so last hour of daylight now. Hoping there's some big fish moving about. Sun's going down. Bailiff's just been. Nice chap he was. Got my book, so just proves I'm a member. Yeah, he was just telling me, had a good chat for about 10 minutes about chub fishing and barbel fishing. The peg literally next door to me holds the River Don record at £15.4. Not sure when that was caught, but I think that was on, he said it was on rolling meat, which it's a method I might try. But yeah, not much action for the last half an hour. No touch on my luncheon meat yet. I might just check it and rebait it, put herring on instead. I'm persisting on the overrods on the maggot feeder. I've cast it a bit further near an overhanging tree on the far side, so hopefully there might be fish down there. If not, I might change that to pellet. But yeah, I'm going to give it another good hour or so, an hour and a half more I think. But yeah, it's really enjoyable down here. I think it's good for trotting as well. I do love a bit of trotting, so I'm going to probably get a couple of pints of maggots next time and have a really good trotting. So anyway, let's rebait that rod. Guys. We're up to 8 o'clock now. Got to shoot off soon. Got the sun to pick up. I don't believe it. Been waiting hard patiently. Flicked on the black tree on luncheon meat, getting a few liners. All of a sudden, the rod hoops round, struck into it. Felt like a good barbel. And up for about 2 or 3 seconds. All of a sudden, hook pulled. I don't believe it. Felt a real nice solid fish. I'm sure that was no chub. I'm sure it was a barbel. But this river has a way of punishing me, I tell you. The amount of lost fish I've had on this river. Nightmare. And guys, big fish. Definitely barbel. Fish. Got him, guys, got him. Nice solid fish, real nice. I'll try some sharp, guys. It's my first Don barbel for quite a while. It's a fantastic fish. I reckon 7.5, 8 pounds. I'm going to go 8 pounds actually. That's a beauty. Look at that, a cracker. You can see that alright. It is stunning. Beautiful condition. Fins are immaculate. What a fish. Turning around the way quickly. It's very dark now. Such a solid fish that. Thought amazing. What a beauty. Oh, that is it. I'm over the moon with that fish. I thought when I lost that one that was it again, but I was half packing my rod pod away. Beauty. Let's get him back in. Oh, what a special place this is. I'll definitely be back for more.